Hey, what's going on? Mike Hobbs here, and I've been sending people a video of what our company is all about. And there were some people needing some clarifications on exactly what the products are. So I'm just going to take a quick clip from one of our new member orientations where I went through all of our products and exactly what they are, how they can benefit you in whatever business that you're building. And also, I talk a little bit about how it pays you as well. So go ahead and watch that clip right now. What are the actual products that we get paid on? The funnel builder. Now, this funnel builder tool, other funnel builder tools like it cost 97. Some of them are 57. I've seen some for 75. I've seen some for 300. I've seen them anywhere from 50 bucks to 300 bucks to buy a funnel builder tool, which is basically a tool that can build any kind of website. Lead capture pages, thank you pages, sales pages, order checkout pages. The bottom line is you can build any kind of page. Just because we give you a website to promote the Home Business Academy does not mean you cannot build whatever you want. You could literally click in your funnel builder and build a page. Click this one right here. We can sell water, like the last water you ever need to drink. There you go. And then create your water sales page on the next page. Link this form to your water sales page, and boom, you're selling water. Okay. You don't have to sell the HBA funnel builder. You could sell anything and everything. You guys get what I'm saying? You can edit these pages however you want. You could literally sell anything. There's actually a question on the spreadsheet. How do I start a funnel with a cleaning business services? Well, you just start going through the HBA funnel builder training. So I would go through all these things. And Matthew Martin he just says in the chat here, there's a cleaning service template. So you can go in here, click on page, local business pages. Look at that, guys. Brighter days, cleaning services. Just change the content to yours. There you go. Done. So boom. There's a lawn care one. Look at that. Anyone with a lawn care? There you go. The funnel builder can be used to build any website. In fact, our membership site, so this one right here, that you see the HBA Premium up here, you see the academy, you see financial literacy, you see the affiliate zone, all these sidebars. This is built in the funnel builder. And I'll prove that to you. Look at this. This is what it looks like in the funnel builder. See how this is the logo? Here's the headline. Here's the menu bar. Here's the sidebar column. Here's another column. Headline. Look at all the pages. These are all the pages in the membership area. So we've got 225 pages in our membership area. This was built in the funnel builder. Okay. So is this a product anyone can use for any company, whether they are an affiliate of HBA or not? Think about that. It is. There are people using funnel builder tools. Like I said, I don't like to name competitors, but there's one called Lead Pages. There's tons of them out there. And when I used this one, I hated it. So like it was complicated. It was okay, but people pay for that, right? Also, I'll just throw out there, the whole purpose of a funnel builder is to generate sales and to get more leads into your business. And so that's what this product does. It helps businesses generate more leads and sales. Paul calls it the magical lead machine. So this is a magical lead machine, in my opinion. And so we have legit products, guys. Be excited about that. And they're digital, and they pay 80% commission if you want to sell them, which is really amazing. HBA Premium Traffic and Conversion Academy. This is where people can learn how to generate traffic and leads on the internet. This is where they can learn how to gather customers, how to convert sales. This is the next level of training. Also, we probably should add another bullet point in here, coaching, mentoring, because when we first did premium, it used to just be 1 day a week mastermind on Mondays. Now we're doing 5 days a week of masterminds for premium, Monday through Friday, 2 on Monday. We added mentoring and coaching. So right here under traffic and conversions, we've got pre-traffic, free traffic. These are all modules, paid traffic, conversions, and then get coaching. These are the live masterminds. You have a Monday night, daily Grow Rich call, and a TNC. So you can show up every day, ask questions if you need help with anything. We have fixed people's funnels on these masterminds. We have helped them with their headlines. We have helped people with their emails. We've helped people with critiquing their videos. We have critiqued people's websites on these. This is where you get the coaching you need. Anything you want to ask us, you can ask us on these marketing masterminds. So that is a huge value add. In fact, there's people who pay upwards of $20,000 for coaching to people who have made millions of dollars. You don't have to pay $20,000 for coaching. In fact, I know this for a fact because I was literally at an event recently where the coaching package was $22,000. So I do know this. And they do not do a webinar every day. Okay. They're doing 24 webinars in a year for $22,000. Just think about that for a second. You have that same access to us daily in the Traffic and Conversions Academy. Okay. And this is $125 a month. So the first one is 25, and then the funnel builder, and then the traffic and conversions is 125 a month. So they're two separate products, and they have two separate purposes. One is for funnels, websites. The other one is for marketing and coaching. And they both pay 80% commission. So when we go back to the compensation plan, which I think is pretty cool, there's this little document here. To make $4,800 a month, you just need to make 40 sales of both products. So 20 here and 100 there. And then you'll make $4,800 a month. Like Paul said, we help people in any company. Like these products can literally help people in any business. In fact, HBA Premium, you can ask questions about any capture page that you're building, and we'll give you feedback on it. And so if you think about that for a second, can you use the marketing training, the conversion training, the coaching to build anything? Yes, you can. And that's another product that's in our lineup. The last product is the Financial Literacy Academy. Again, debt elimination, tax strategies, retirement planning, records and bookkeeping, long-term cash flow with rental properties, stress-free property management, asset protection, all this stuff. Now, one of the trainings in this helped me to eliminate, I believe it was $245 a month for my bookkeeper. And I got that lowered down to $100 because I got rid of the bookkeeping part, which was $200. Right? I still pay about $100 to do the taxes stuff and like a couple other things that he's doing for me. But I got rid of the bookkeeping because I just learned it from Paul, and it was super easy. I just spent a couple minutes a month, right? These are just different things you can learn and save yourself some money. We have Mark Kohler in there, who is teaching the tax stuff, which I think is really awesome. And yeah, so that's the Financial Literacy Academy. This is a one-time cost product. It's either $500 when someone joins for the first 3 days, and after that, it's $1,000 evergreen. And that's a one-time payment, not monthly. So those are the 3 core products in HBA. We've got 2 continuity products, which are monthly residual income products. We've got a one-time cost products, and each one pays their own comp plan. This is 20 per month residual. This one is 100 a month residual, and this one is 400 or 800 one-time commissions. So does everybody get it? Everybody get what the products are now and the purpose of them? But I do want to just let you know that these are all in alignment with each other. They're not overlapping each other. Where I noticed a lot of times, has anyone ever joined a company and they're like, hey, how to get all this marketing training? And then you get to the next page and they're like, oh, and here's some more marketing training. Oh, and here's some more. It's like, it almost feels like the first one was just not even important. Like they just sold you on this first course and now they're like selling you another course that makes the first course irrelevant. None of our products do that. I want you guys to realize that. When you buy the Funnel Builder tool, you get the full access. There's nothing to upgrade. When you buy our marketing coaching, you get the full access, nothing to upgrade. When you buy financial literacy training, that has nothing to do with marketing. Nothing to do with the Funnel Builder. It's financial literacy. When you buy the marketing product, you could use what you learn in premium to make better funnels, of course, but it doesn't make the Funnel Builder better. Like some people think they have to upgrade to premium to make the Funnel Builder better. No, the Funnel Builder is the best it can be at 25. Make sense? They're each independent products. You don't need premium to make the Funnel Builder better. You don't need financial literacy to make premium better. They're all three individual products. They each have their own separate comp plan of 80%. And when you own one, you get paid on it. That's how it works.